Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Matthew Solomon, top 2 in the June 2017 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order for you to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Matthew.
Okay, so what is your number 6 finger? Yan. Marami nalilito diyan. Take note mga kaibigan ha. Pagdating sa number ng mga daliri, huwag kayong malilito diyan. Okay? You have to start with your thumb. Lagi magsisimula sa thumb, okay? At lagi magsisimula sa kanang kamay. Thumb at kanang kamay. So, ibig sabihin, what is your number 1 finger? That is your thumb. Number 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano yung number 6? Ano yung number 6? Sabi natin, magsisimula sa thumb. So, number 6 is your thumb, left thumb. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so right thumb, okay, lagi right hand, thumb, right hand thumb. Okay, and then left hand thumb. Lagi dyan tayo magsisimula. Okay, so what is your number 6 finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so anong klaseng loop daw if yung recurving ridge nagfo-flow towards your number 6 towards the thumb. At sinabi natin kanina, if it flows towards the thumb, that is a radial loop. If it flows towards your little finger, that is an ulnar loop. Okay? So, baka malito kayo dyan, ha? Guys, what is your number 8 finger? Sabihin nyo nga, what is your number 8? Is it your left index, left middle, right index? What is your number 8 finger? Diba? That is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, saan tayo magsisimula? 6, 7, 8. Yes, that is your left middle finger. Diba? Nakukuha nyo? Baka madali kayo dyan. Okay, so magsisimula sa thumb, diba? Tapos sa right hand. Okay, maliwanag yan ha. Okay, next. Ayan, so under the principle of permanency, na-discuss na natin kanina, a fingerprint will remain as it is until a person dies. Okay, but there are instances na kapag siya inasugatan, it will become permanent. So the rule is, kailan magiging permanent ang sugat? Sabi natin kanina, sir, if na-damage yung dermis. Kapag na-damage yung dermis, the scar will be permanent. It will be permanent. Okay? So, gaano dapat kalalim ang sugat para maging permanent yung scar? Yan. Gaano kalalim yung sugat para maging permanent yung scar? That is, take note, 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter lang po, hindi po centimeter ha. Sakit na yan. Aabot na ng buto mo yan. Okay? 1 millimeter lamang po. Okay? Take note. Okay, so clear tayo dyan ha. Principle of permanency, hindi siya nagbabago. Unless na-touch yung dermis. At gaano kalalim ang sugat para ma-touch yung dermis? Para maging permanent siya, that is 1 millimeter. Okay. Yan. So this is yung anatomy ng skin natin. So eto makikita nyo, this is your ridge, this is the pores, this is the furrows, di ba? At dito yung ating dermis. Okay? So, kapag na-damage to, okay lang. Bakit? Kasi mag-generate siya ng skin dito, manggagaling sa baba. Pero kapag ito mismo ang na-damage, okay, magiging permanent na yung scar. Okay? So, take note ng mga kaibigan ha. Pag sinabi nating pores, diyan lumalabas yung pawis. Okay? Pag sinabi nating sweat duct, Okay, sweat duct, diyan dumadaan yung pawis. Ito, okay, diyan dumadaan yung pawis. Pag sinabi nating sweat glands, ito yung nagke-create ng pawis. Nagke-create ng pawis, glands, dinadaanan, duct, nilalabasan, pores. Right? Plano yan ha. Okay. Alam na natin yan kanina. Condition where a person has an extra finger. Okay? The condition where a person has an extra finger that is polydactyl. Okay? Pag sinabi nating syndactyl, okay? Syndactyl, yung finger mo mga kaibigan, magkadikit, hindi na siya nahihiwalay. Okay? Yung side-to-side fusion of your fingers, hindi siya na nahihiwalay. Syndactyl. Pag sinabi nating ankylosis, the fingers cannot be bent. Hindi mo na mabend yung finger mo. Okay? Take note yan ha. And when we say web finger, meron siyang extra skin dito sa iyong finger. Okay. So, clear? Okay, next. This kind of ridge characteristic sometimes being construed as bifurcating ridge due to its close resemblance to the ridge. What this is known as, okay, enclosure. So, yan yung inano natin kanina. Isang ridge naghiwalay sa dalawa, di ba? Isang ridge naghiwalay sa dalawa, tapos nagsama at nag-create ng isang ridge. Kaya maraming nagkakamali na ito daw ay isang bifurcation. Kasi hindi na nila nakikita na ito pala ay nagsama at nag-create ulit ng isang ridge. Okay? So that is an enclosure. Okay. So, okay, bifurcation, di ba? Isa naghiwalay sa dalawa. Eh sir, paano kung isa naghiwalay sa tatlo? Okay? Isa naghiwalay sa tatlo. Anong tawag? Trifurcation. Yun lang. Trifurcation. Converging ridge, nagsama. Dalawang ridge, nagsama. Okay? Yan. Forking ridge, wala. Yan. So, liwanag. Okay, next. Okay. Bertillion system relied on a detailed description of the subject. Okay. Combined with the full length and profile photographs known as anthropometry. So Bertillion system, okay, ano daw yung tawag natin sa detailed description of the subject? What is the detailed description of a subject? Diba sabi natin kanina, anong tawag natin doon? That is portrait parlle. Okay, what is the answer? Of course, the answer is letter D. Okay, baka maraming nagkamali dito. Portrait parlle, take note ha, portrait parlle, yan po ay P-A-R-L-E lamang. Okay, hindi po Farle, hindi parlle. Kaya, kung wala yung tamang sagot, kunin nyo yung English translation. That is the spoken portrait or spoken picture. Okay? Yan, so maliwanag yan ha. Again, anong tawag natin doon sa system ni Bertillion? Anthropometric system. At anong ginamit niya? Anong system yung ginamit niya to identify the person? Di ba? Kinukuha niya ng photograph. That is the mugshot photography. That's why it's also considered as the father of mugshot photography. Okay. So, si Pedro, okay, is born with a deformity, bone deformity, na kung saan yung middle and ring finger niya is attached to each other. This refers to, diba? That is yung merong skin sa gitna. Yan. That is what? That is, alright. Okay, so mali. That is the web finger. I'm sorry. Web finger. Okay, pero pag ang sinabi natin is nawawalang finger. Sorry, mali yung animation. Pag nawawala yung finger, missing finger, nawawala yung finger, ibig sabihin na tawag doon, pinanganak siya na nawawala yung kanyang middle finger. Okay, anong tawag natin doon? That is ectodactyl. Okay, ectodactyl. Huwag niyo tatawaging mutilation. That is not mutilation. Why? Kasi sa mutilation, buhay ka, meron kang finger, tapos naputol. Okay? Or amputation. Pero pag sinabi nating ectodactyl, pinanganak siyang walang finger. Okay? Ectodactyl. Ano yung tawag natin sa condition? Condition na mayroong extra finger, polydactyl. Ano yung tawag mismo doon sa finger na yon? That is supernumerary. Diba? Supernumerary. Okay? Yan yung extra finger. Ano yung condition na kung saan meron kang extra finger? Polydactyl. Okay. Yan. Okay. Tiny portions, heel-like structure. Okay, so yung nakaangat daw siya. Yan. And they appear as black lines in a fingerprint impression. Okay, ano yung they appear as black lines? So kung nag-i-appear siya as black lines, ibig sabihin siya yung nalalagyan ng ink. Okay, what are those? Those are your ridges. Diba? So alin yung puti? Those are your furrows. Bakit? Hindi siya nalalagyan ng ink. Diba? Okay, next. The principle in fingerprint that states that fingerprint cannot be forged. Okay? That fingerprint is a reliable and a positive means of identification. Reliable and a positive means of identification. Hindi siya nagkakamali. Alright? What is that? What principle is that? Principle of infallibility, impeccability, and principle of perfectness. Hindi sila nagkakamali. Okay? Any questions? So far? Are we clear? So maliwanag ha? Okay. The following are not the requisites of a loop except one. Alin dito ang hindi kailangan ng hindi requisites ng loop? Okay. Simulan natin dito. It must have a rich trace of at least one. Okay, ridge count of at least one. Okay, is that correct? Okay. Yes. Okay, it must have a delta. Sorry. Nalagay na. It must have a delta. Ang loop ba may delta? Yes. Okay, it must have a complete circuit. Yes. Meron ba siyang dalawang course? Of course, wala. Wala naman pong pattern na may dalawang course. Okay? Alright, so the answer is letter A. Okay, I'm sorry, this must be a whirl, ano? Whirl dapat pala yan. So, what are the requisites of a whirl? Complete circuit, may delta, may ridge trace. Okay? Circuit, may delta, may ridge trace. Yeah, so those are the requisites of our whirl. Ano yung requisites ng loop? May core, may delta, may ridge count. Okay? May core, may delta, may ridge count, may sufficient recurve. Okay? So, again, pag nawala yung isa doon sa apat na yun, anong pattern siya? Diba? Ano yung pattern kapag nawala yung isa sa apat na requisites ng loop? Okay? That is your tented arc. Okay? Alright. Yan. Okay. In the field of fingerprinting, it refers to the process of counting. Okay? Determining the total number of intervening ridges. So, ang gagawin natin mga kaibigan dito is that yung fingerprint, okay, from the delta papunta sa core, gagawa tayo ng line. Okay? Lalagyan mo ng line from the core papunta sa delta. And then, bibilangin natin yung lines or yung ridges na tumama doon sa line na yun. Okay? So, anong process daw yun? Okay, so from the core papunta sa delta, bibilangin natin yung tinamaan ng line na yon. Okay? Ano daw ang tawag natin doon? That is ridge counting. Okay? Ridge counting. Alright?
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!